Let us talk about agricultural science. Agriculture is the backbone of many economies. It provides food, clothing, and shelter. Understanding agriculture is essential for your exams and for national development. This is Topic 1. We are discussing the introduction to agricultural science. By the end of this lesson, you will understand what agriculture is, the branches of agriculture, the importance of agriculture, the problems of agriculture, and how to answer exam questions. Take your notes. Let us go. First, what is agriculture? Agriculture is the art and science of cultivating the soil, growing crops, and raising animals for food, fibre, and other products. The word agriculture comes from Latin. Age means field, and cultura means cultivation. So, agriculture means field cultivation. Agriculture is not just farming. It includes processing, marketing, and distribution of agricultural products. Agriculture is both an art and a science. It is an art because it requires skill and experience. It is a science because it uses biological, chemical, and physical principles. Now let me explain the branches of agriculture. Agriculture has several branches. The first branch is crop production. Crop production is the cultivation of plants for food, feed, fibre, and other uses. It includes agronomy, which is the science of field crops like maize, rice, and wheat. It includes horticulture, which is the science of garden crops like vegetables, fruits, and ornamental plants. It also includes forestry, which is the science of trees and forests. The second branch is animal production. Animal production is the raising of animals for food, fibre, work, and other products. It is also called animal husbandry. It includes the production of cattle, sheep, goats, pigs, poultry, rabbits, and other livestock. It also includes beekeeping, which is the keeping of bees for honey, and aquaculture, which is the raising of fish and other aquatic animals. The third branch is agricultural economics. Agricultural economics is the study of how farmers and agribusinesses use resources to produce and distribute agricultural products. It includes farm management, marketing, and agricultural policy. The fourth branch is agricultural engineering. Agricultural engineering is the application of engineering principles to agriculture. It includes farm machinery, irrigation systems, drainage, and storage structures. The fifth branch is soil science. Soil science is the study of soil as a natural resource. It includes soil formation, classification, fertility, and conservation. The sixth branch is plant science. Plant science is the study of plants and how they grow. It includes plant breeding, plant physiology, plant pathology, and entomology. Now let me explain the importance of agriculture. Agriculture is important for many reasons. First, it provides food. Agriculture produces the food that people eat. Without agriculture, there would be no food. Second, it provides raw materials for industries. Agriculture provides cotton for textiles, sugarcane for sugar, palm oil for soap, and timber for furniture. Third, it provides employment. In many countries, most people work in agriculture. Agriculture creates jobs on farms, in processing factories, in transportation, and in marketing. Fourth, it contributes to economic growth. Agriculture contributes a large percentage of the gross domestic product in many countries. When agriculture grows, the whole economy grows. Fifth, it provides foreign exchange. Many countries export agricultural products like cocoa, coffee, tea, rubber, and palm oil. These exports bring in foreign currency. Sixth, it provides shelter. Agriculture provides wood for building houses and cotton for making clothes. Seventh, it provides income for farmers. Farmers sell their products and earn money. This money is used to buy other goods and services. Now, let me explain the problems of agriculture. Agriculture faces many problems. The first problem is poor storage facilities. Many agricultural products are perishable. They spoil quickly without proper storage. Farmers lose a lot of their harvest because they cannot store it properly. The second problem is lack of modern equipment. Many farmers still use simple hand tools like hoes and cutlasses. They do not have tractors, planters, or harvesters. This limits how much they can produce. The third problem is lack of capital. Many farmers are poor. They cannot afford to buy seeds, fertilizer, pesticides, or equipment. They cannot invest in improving their farms. The fourth problem is poor transportation. In many rural areas, roads are bad. It is difficult to get produce to markets. Many products spoil on the way. The fifth problem is pests and diseases. Crops are attacked by insects, birds, and rodents. Animals get sick and die. Farmers lose a lot of production to pests and diseases. The sixth problem is unreliable rainfall. Many farmers depend on rain for water. When the rain does not come, crops fail. When there is too much rain, floods destroy crops. The seventh problem is lack of education. Many farmers do not know modern farming techniques. They use old methods that produce low yields. They do not know how to use fertilizer properly. They do not know how to control pests. The eighth problem is land tenure problems. Many farmers do not own the land they farm. They are tenants or squatters. They cannot invest in improving land that they do not own. Now let me explain the solutions to these problems. The first solution is to provide better storage facilities. Governments can build silos, cold rooms, and warehouses. Farmers can use improved storage methods like hermetic bags. The second solution is to provide modern equipment. Governments can subsidize tractors and other equipment. Farmers can form cooperatives to buy equipment together. The third solution is to provide credit. Banks can give loans to farmers at low interest rates. Governments can provide grants and subsidies. The fourth solution is to build better roads. Good roads make it easier to transport produce to markets. This reduces spoilage and increases farmers' incomes. The fifth solution is to control pests and diseases. Farmers should use resistant varieties, crop rotation, and integrated pest management. Governments should provide extension services to teach farmers. The sixth solution is to provide irrigation. Irrigation allows farmers to grow crops even when there is no rain. This makes agriculture more reliable. The seventh solution is to educate farmers. Agricultural extension services should teach farmers modern techniques. Farmers should be trained in soil management, pest control, and marketing. The eighth solution is to reform land tenure. Governments should give farmers secure rights to the land they farm. When farmers own the land, they will invest in improving it. Now, let me explain the relationship between agriculture and other sectors. Agriculture is connected to other sectors of the economy. Industry depends on agriculture for raw materials. Factories process agricultural products into consumer goods. Transportation depends on agriculture to move products from farms to markets. Education depends on agriculture for teaching materials and for feeding students. Health depends on agriculture for nutritious food. The construction industry depends on agriculture for wood and other building materials. When agriculture grows, other sectors also grow. A common exam question asks you to define agriculture and list its branches. Here is a sample answer. Agriculture is the art and science of cultivating the soil, growing crops, and raising animals for food, fiber, and other products. The branches of agriculture include crop production, animal production, agricultural economics, agricultural engineering, soil science, and plant science. Each branch focuses on a different aspect of agriculture. Another exam question asks you to explain the importance of agriculture. Here is your answer. Agriculture is important because it provides food, raw materials for industries, employment, economic growth, foreign exchange, shelter, and income for farmers. Without agriculture, there would be no food to eat, no clothes to wear, and no wood for building. Agriculture is the foundation of the economy. Another exam question asks you to discuss the problems facing agriculture and suggest solutions. Here is your answer. The problems include poor storage facilities, lack of modern equipment, lack of capital, poor transportation, pests and diseases, unreliable rainfall, lack of education, and land tenure problems. Solutions include building better storage, providing equipment and credit, building roads, controlling pests, providing irrigation, educating farmers, and reforming land tenure. Addressing these problems would increase agricultural production. Here is what you need to take away. Agriculture is the cultivation of crops and raising of animals. Its branches include crop production, animal production, agricultural economics, and agricultural engineering. Agriculture provides food, raw materials, jobs, and foreign exchange. Problems include poor storage, lack of equipment, pests, and bad roads. Solutions include better storage, irrigation, credit, and farmer education. Practice these concepts. When you have them down, move to topic 2.